Hello friends. This is a fresh installed Hestia control panel version 1.9.0 beta. In this video, we will see how to enable resource limit in Hestia control panel. Resource limit feature was introduced in version 1.9.0. So, make sure you have version 1.9.0 or later installed. Click Server Settings icon located in top bar. Now click Configure button. Scroll down and expand Plugins section. Here you will find the option of Limit System Resources. Set this to Yes and save. Click User tab to go to the front page. Click Packages button. And then click Add Package button. Add details for the new package and scroll down. Click System Resources to expand this section. Here you can set resources limit for this package, like memory limit, CPU limit, etc. Click the infinity icon to edit the field. Once done, click Save button. This package will have the server resources limit you have set. You can assign this package to any existing user or new user. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.